Hi guys, today I have a bit of a channel announcement. I want to tell you about my other YouTube channel. It's a food and recipe channel called YumDelectable. So here on ShaneeJudee, I have posted a few recipe videos here and there, and those will remain on the ShaneeJudee channel, so you can see those if you are interested in them. But since I love cooking, I decided to create a dedicated channel that is all about food and recipes, and that's where YumDelectable comes in. So on the YumDelectable channel, I provide demonstrations on how I make my favorite family recipes and international fare. You'll find ideas for breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, snacks, and even ideas to bring to your next potluck. So in addition to the YumDelectable YouTube channel, I also have a YumDelectable blog. It's YumDelectable.com. And on the YumDelectable blog, you will find the full recipe. It'll be printable so that you could print the recipe out and have it in the kitchen with you when you make it. But you'll also have the video of that recipe on how I make that recipe on the YumDelectable YouTube channel. You can see what it looks like to actually make the recipe, because sometimes I know when I look at a recipe, sometimes I wonder exactly how you do something. So at least with the video, you can see that. So I will link both the YouTube channel and the blog in the description section down below this video so that you could see what those are all about. And of course, I'm still doing my ShaneeJudee channel, so now I just have two YouTube channels. Here on ShaneeJudee, of course, I will continue to do the fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos, and now on YumDelectable, it'll be food and recipes. So if you like food and recipes, go on over to YumDelectable and check that out. I would love it if you'd subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell while you're at it. Go over to the blog, subscribe to that, and you'll be good to go. So let me know in the comment section what types of recipes you like, and you just might find it on YumDelectable in the future. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to both ShaneeJudee and YumDelectable if you haven't already, and I will see you all next time. Bye!